Hello everybody and welcome back to Fox Cookie. Today I'm going to be showing you the tricks that my dog Mabel can do. Hello baby. Okay, can you sit? That's a good girl. Alright, sit. Paw. Yeah. She keeps trying to move around. Okay, sit. Paw. Yeah, good girl. Good girl, Mamie. Down. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, she can do a lot of good tricks. She's a very good girl. Okay, up. Up. Good girl. Alright, can you do boop? Yeah, you're a good girl. Okay, this one I really like because it's kind of funny. Mamie, sit. Jump. 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 Good girl. Yeah, she's a very good girl. Aren't you such a good girl? Yes, you are. Alright, can we end it off with a sit? And paw. No, paw. No, sit. Mabel, sit. Paw. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching. It's just some little Mabel tricks. So, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.